Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys update error service. To know how to fix or how to solve a Stumble Guys service error, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about this window of Stumble Guys. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we'll click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click on clear data because that can make a lot of problems on your app or on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.